Alright, so as you can see, I'm establishing the outline for this haircut, which is basically cutting in the new length that this haircut's going to be. I've got my very first section, which I'm combing straight down, holding the hair in my comb, and then using my scissors to cut that outline. You can see, I've started the haircut by taking a center section down the middle of the back, divide it on the right side and the left side, then take two A-line sections, which I've combed straight down. You can see the hair that I'm not cutting is being held up by two clips. Now, I'm going to continue to take sections, as you can see right here, working my way up the head, combing the hair straight down, using the very first section that I just got done cutting as my guide to know how short to cut this current section. Once I've completed cutting the outline, then we will go in and address the layering. So now that I've completed cutting the left side, it is now time to cut the right side. As you can see, I'm going to take another section, working my way up the head, combing that section straight down, using the section underneath as my guide to know how short to cut the length on this next section. Now, I'm going to work my way all the way up the head. Once I've completed cutting the outline on the right side, we will then be all done with cutting in this bob, at which point I will go ahead and blow dry, and we will be all done. So we've come to the end of cutting this bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, we're going to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out that one length bob. Guys, as usual, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.